Hi, my name is Chris Peters, and I'm Director of Customer Relations at Link Ford Lincoln in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. On behalf of the Service Department, I would like to remind you that we are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and offering pickup and delivery services. It's been a tough year for many of us in northwestern Wisconsin. At Link Ford and Lincoln in Rice Lake, we want to assure you that our customers, who are our family and friends, continue to be our top priority. Let Link's team of service professionals take care of your vehicle. Our highly trained team of Ford certified technicians have the skills and technology to service your vehicle from the roughest jobs to routine maintenance. Our advisors are here to answer all your questions and make the right recommendations to keep you on the road. Give us a call at 715-234-8196. Stop on in at the corners of Highway O and 53 in Rice Lake, or book an online appointment at linkmotors.com. Friendly and professional service done right. That's our commitment to you at Link Ford Lincoln in Rice Lake, where reputation is everything.